Dakatong ban penslur bat kentiu ya kakam rep Sohshan, batip kumuso strawberry hakaktin nongway, katenat horticulture rengkat katenat tourism hakasni thoding, kila sedang ya ka strawberry festival hajar arpusau kaba ars ngilenter, hakilai tili ke distrik, bakentup ya ka Ribhoi distrik, East Khasi Hills bat West Garo Hills. Hari Ribhoi distrik lapenlong hakasnong solia kabala tipru kum ka strawberry village, hakaba u Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner Secretary Katenat Tourism, ulawan banpli yakani katamasa kumukongsan, hakajinga don lang uba o lengkoi rang basnong kasolia lembat kiwe kihe officer. Kani katamasa kalalong ru hakasnong sentung East Khasi Hills bat hakasnong direct Chigre West Garo Hills. Kini Katenat Sorkar hakani ka kenti kilaya trailang bat ka Opus Production bat ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project ban penpau nam yakani ka tamasa Khubor. Hakani ka tamasa kila don ru shibun kijing penbernya nadu kajingnya kejat kajingnya cycle kijingnya lekai jongki khulung Khynnah kajingyo lat ru banit Kheit yaki so strawberry naki farm hakani ka snong badru kajing don jongki dukan de jingde ki bade yaki so strawberry ki wan ki umso bat ki bam ba pher. Habakran kumukong san hadian kajing wan ban jurip bat ban mad ya kajing tiang bat jingbang jong Sohshan nakaway ka farm Sohshan u Vijay Kumar ulapan pau ya kajing Kmen ka pakraw banya don benta hakani ka tamasa bat kentiu ya Sohshan bat ban kentiu ya kayo kakot jong kinong rep ya uni Sohshan hapo kajela Meghalaya.
Who is also a pioneer of commercial strawberry farming in the entire northeast of India.
Bonokong ai không lấy bạch nhiều sông sông pelong ya pasti community bodo pas sông kilo priang dan pelong ya mereka sông orang Riki bah pelong ya mereka festival pelong banora ya kayu kot kebagian jong kino sông pok selia pat pelong ro kanuksa nam ta kiwi ki sông perang berjalan lakin yuila menuksa lakin ya tristom lakin dia teli dia tujuh mudlang senong tahu kinyo kis kemba per mar sokar muta kalong sokar basbun pak khatam idon ke besar di balak banyaram kublai sajarmu Dr. Vijay Kumar Shillong way na ki besar bayarap hai kinong rep apa kemelah khia barok away Islam Dr. Vijay Kumar Tinyo di ko jikhe ayen ka sem di kana roi kana tar long ba jing long ba jing yarab di sibor di Paidbah kin ko yiti ba tinyo di ko jikhe ba kin Islam te sa sem ai kublai ru knasul pranunti wala kita na pada kecil ro khasinews ro kila sa sistem Of course, kailan babu, ngalong ban ay welcome song na katukan ni kijingruay, nay tang namta, padon na election. Kinoy kay bro khat kila chi training jo election na takadaw, ngisubok, ngimla pan pau ya ka, sap ka pom jong tiki, hap keberit, bulan po ka, secondary school, banle, hingli activities, nam takani kaswatu, strawberry festival balong betak.
The headman of Solia village, the entrepreneurs connected with tourism who are here, the farmers, the strawberry farmers who are the main stakeholders of this program and for whom the strawberry festival is being organized, all the young people who are gathered here, friends from the media, very good afternoon to you all. First of all, I should thank Boss. I think he has been very generous in his praise and compliments to me. But the most important thing when we think of something like the Strawberry Festival that is happening here, I'm told that the Strawberry Festival happened in Solia village 2 times before. So sometime in 2011 and then in 2013 or 14. So now we are reviving this Strawberry Festival. What I want to just use this opportunity to kind of explain why we are doing a Strawberry Festival, what is the importance of a Strawberry Festival like this, and how it impacts and how it can have an explosive impact on the lives of not just the people of this village but of people across many other villages and even beyond our state. So when we think of our state, Meghalaya, I think we have many opportunities, but I think the 2 greatest opportunities that we have is tourism and high value horticulture. So I was discussing with Baos, he was saying, Baos, the strawberry is much better than ginger because strawberry in 2 bags you can carry strawberry and you can get 50,000 rupees in your pocket. So ginger, even if you carry 1 big bag of ginger, you will get less money because strawberry is a high value crop. So high value crops like strawberry grow very easily in Meghalaya. We have a wonderful climatic conditions, excellent soil. Our farmers are hardworking, they want to take advantage of all this and they want to grow these crops. So, and when we sell these crops, we are able to produce, whether it is strawberries, whether it is flowers, whether it is other fruits like kiwis, whether it is even high value spices like our lakadong turmeric. So all these high value produce that we are capable of producing in our state thanks to our wonderful climate, thanks to our, as I said, the soil and all the resources that we have, we can make more money. So we can earn more money and we can earn more money, the farmers can earn more money, the entrepreneurs can earn more money by taking advantage of what we have, the natural resources, the natural endowments we have. The second great advantage we have is tourism, which is, I think Meghalaya, we are again blessed with good climate and this green geography with wonderful waterfalls and all. People would love to come to Meghalaya. So what we are trying to do through this Strawberry Festival is to integrate these 2 advantages we have. We have tourism, we have the advantage of tourism, we have the advantage of high value horticulture. So when we do a thing like high value horticultural crop like strawberry, so we not only sell the strawberry, we not only do value addition of the strawberry, to kind of increase the income of the farmers, but we also connect it with a festival, with tourism, with tourist activities like, strawberry picking, with, experiencing how to make strawberry wine. We connect these 2 so that the opportunities, both the livelihood opportunities and the enterprise opportunities for the people here, for the people in Shillong, for the people in other places of the state become higher. So that is the whole thought process behind the Strawberry Festival. And a very important thing is, what has happened, we have done, when we do events, if we do an event 1 year and then we forget about it, then we won't have that impact. The whole idea is that these kind of events should be held consistently, they should be held annually, and they should be held in a predictable manner. So I see some tourists are there. So it's a wonderful thing that people, from outside the state, outside the country are coming for events like this. But they will come when they know in advance that next year this festival will happen. So I want to make a commitment here that we will do festivals like this. This festival, definitely the Strawberry Festival, let us make it as an annual event. So that every March or every April, when the fields are in full bloom, when the fields are in full production, when the strawberry production is at its peak, so we do a tourism event so that not only do the farmers benefit from direct sale of strawberry, but they also benefit from tourists coming in, and other people benefit. We set up homestays here. We have a wonderful homestay scheme. So under that, I'm sure many people from the village are also taking advantage of the homestay scheme. So we are also building a beautiful homestay right there on the top of the hill. So we are renovating that existing homestay. So by the time next year we do the festival, so we not only have strawberries, but we also have tourism on a large scale, so that people buy the strawberries, people buy the strawberry wine, people also stay in the village, people eat the food here. So that brings prosperity. So this is the story. A simple festival, a small festival that we are doing will have a huge impact here across the state. And as mentioned, we are doing this festival. This is a unique festival because it's not happening only in one village. While this is the main village, we are also doing it in two other locations. So these locations are Sintung and in Garo Hills, a place called Dari Chigre. So as we move along, we want to expand the cultivation of crops like strawberry, because previously we used to do 5 acres under strawberry cultivation. So today we are doing 25 acres. By next year we will do 100 acres under strawberry cultivation. So maybe if we are able to tap the market properly, and if we are able to process our strawberries and sell our strawberries well, we can increase the area up to 500 acres also. Because the value of the strawberry, the way it is able to, this crop is able to change the lives of the people is significant. That is established. So this is the story of the festival, and I'm once again want to thank everyone. I want to thank Baos in particular, because he is as was mentioned already, the lead entrepreneur and the lead farmer.